Good morning. Today is Tuesday, May 27th, 2025. I am here at Doctors Lake Marina. This is the Tidewater 232 that is in slip E2. The name on it's supposed to be the Beast, but I don't see the name. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick inspection, estimate how long it would take. The engine on it is a Yamaha, so let me go ahead and check it out. Good news is, if we did clean it, it would most likely be just a regular maintenance clean. However, it doesn't have any bottom paint. It is all gel coat. So if we were to use our scrapers, there's a good chance we could damage the gel coat. I'm going to send this video over to Dane, see what he wants us to do, and he'll get in touch with you as the owner.